Greetings, it's Maxo Diddley here, and today I am going to be showing you how to read text from a file in Java, so let's get right into it. Firstly, make sure you import these three libraries at the top of your code, because we'll be needing these for this tutorial. So we're going to be making a function. We're going to do public static string read from file string file path. So in this function, we're going to have all the code to read the text from the file. So string here means we're going to return a string, which is going to be all of the text. Read from file is the name of the function, and string file path is what we're going to give the function so it knows what file we want to read. This is all the code for the function, so let's break it down. String content. This is going to be the string that's going to store the content we're going to read from the file. And then we have our try catch statement. And inside the try, we do content equals new string files.readAllBytes paths.get file path. So this line is basically we're going to be assigning to our content string whatever's inside this file. So we're doing new string files.readAllBytes paths.get file path. Paths.get file path creates a path object from the file path string. This path object represents the location of the file in the file system, so we know where the file is so we can read from it. And files.readAllBytes is a method provided by our neofiles files class, the thing we imported at the top. And this method reads all the bytes from the file, and it does so by opening the file, reading all the bytes from the file into a byte array, and then closing the file. So we've located the file using this bit of code. We have then gotten all the data in a byte array using this bit of code. However, we then do new string and then a byte array inside, because this code here, once it's executed, is going to basically return a byte array with all our data. And we are creating then a new string, and we're going to convert that byte array into a string, so we can then give it to our string variable and then print it to the screen or do whatever we want to with it. Inside the catch, which occurs if something goes wrong, we're going to return e.toString. So we're going to return the error message to wherever we call the function, so we know something went wrong. And then underneath the try catch statement, we do return content, because we're only going to get to this part of the code if nothing went wrong, meaning we were able to read something from the file, even if it is nothing because the file's empty. So inside our main method, we're going to do string data equals read from file data.txt. This is the file path that we're going to read from. You can customize this, just make sure you get the file path correct. And then we're going to do system.println data. So we're going to print out the data or the error message if the function gives us an error message. That's basically it for this tutorial. If you're in NetBeans, you can right click on your project, go to properties, and this is going to be where your Java project is. I have put my file in the Java project folder, so I can just reference the name of the file. You can put the file wherever you want, just make sure you get the file path correct. Let's hit play. And we've printed out a good chunk of the Bible. That's cool. So let's open up the file and let's see what we just printed. Yep, there's part of Genesis from the Bible in this file. So, thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more Java tutorials. Thanks for watching.